If you're an ACA trainee feeling overwhelmed, unsure of what's ahead, you are not alone. And that's exactly why I created my ultimate ACA Starter Pack that helped me go from a Big Four audit trainee to a chartered accountant. I am going to walk you through the exact step-by-step system that will save you hours of guesswork and set you up to pass your exams first time and maintain a social life. I'll also reveal the one mistake that most trainees make that actually holds them back from being able to get there faster. My starter pack is packed with all of this, and I, of course, had to set you up with a welcome video. Hi, and congratulations on starting your ACA journey. If you're here, you're probably thinking, where do I even begin? The gold mine of the pack, my ultimate success guide. If you're wondering, how much question practice do I need to do to pass? Do I have enough time? That is why you need this. Now, I do get a little bit direct in some places, so where I talk about the harsh truths or about failure. I just wanted to tell you everything upfront now, so hopefully it protects you from any surprises later on. You will be fine. The one mistake that I see trainees make is not planning ahead properly and then leaving question practice just too late. Practice early enough, often enough, it is critical to pass. And that is why I have then tied in my Notion template, which is my study hub that is so powerful. It's designed for your whole ACA journey. It's a week-by-week planner. It helps you schedule ICAEW question bank practice, and it just makes sure all of the tips from that success guide can actually be implemented and just carried out as you go. I've also given you weekly affirmations just for a quick boost. It's a habit tracker and quarterly goals tracker as well. I'm big on habits and goals, and this will really just keep that in check throughout. Of course, there's so much to do to become qualified, and that is why I've also given you a high-level ACA checklist. You can actually download that free in the description below. You need to be aware of everything. And like I said, you are not alone. I've set up a brand new Discord community. This is for others who are starting now, given there have been exam changes in the ACA. I thought it'd be great for you to all start together and really just support each other. You might be from a larger firm, one that's much smaller. This will give you that study buddy just at any point that you need. I didn't want to stop just there, and I have given some bonus goodies. Spoiler alert, one is access for free to my Accounting for Beginners book. The link is in the description below. I won't give everything away though, so have a look and find out what the other one is. It is only very early days of my starter pack. I have already got some feedback, which I'm so pleased with. I just put so much into this pack, and I know how valuable it is, so I'm glad that some people have seen this come through. However, I know once people actually start and really start using it, that's when the benefit will come. If you have started using it or you've got the checklist, feel free to send me any feedback. I'd be so happy to hear it. If you really do want to skip that guesswork, get the exact tools that help me pass first time and maintain my social life, you can download the starter pack now. The link is in my description below. This isn't just another resource, it's a true investment into your ACA journey, the next few years of your life. It's got my proven strategies and then of course that ongoing support. After downloading, check out my next video, how to become a chartered accountant in 2025. It talks you through the ACA qualification and it will just support you along with that pack. I'm rooting for you. Good luck.